Here's everything you need to make your Valentine a love potion. We have a mixing bowl with a spoon, a pitcher of water, some pink lemonade, raspberry sherbet, but you can use any flavor you like, some lemon-lime flavored soda, and of course, glasses for tasting. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to prepare the lemonade according to the package directions. So we're going to pour in the water. And now these lemonades come frozen, but I've defrosted it in advance, which is what you're going to want to do. So you want to make sure you take enough time to let it defrost so you're not stuck at the last minute with frozen lemonade. And we're just going to mix that together according to the package directions. And now you're going to have leftover lemonade, so you can just refrigerate that. Or another great idea for the lemonade is you can make ice cubes out of your leftover lemonade and use it in your water for a very refreshing treat.